Hello all and welcome to another Bitcoin video. Today I want to talk to you about a subject that a lot of you guys have been asking for. How do you use Bitcoin exactly? Don't just let your Bitcoin sit around in your wallet doing nothing. I'm going to explore some ways so that you can get some of that top-notch utility out of Bitcoin. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe. We've got a lot of cool new videos coming out for you guys. And without further ado, let's get started. First off, you've got to get that Bitcoin off that exchange wallet. There's an old Bitcoin saying, not your keys, not your Bitcoin. And it rings true. You don't have your private keys for your exchange wallet, so you, at the end of the day, don't completely control that Bitcoin. If you have Bitcoin on your Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, whatever, get it off. Move it out. They do their jobs okay enough in facilitating the buying and selling of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, but holding the Bitcoin is not their job. They are not a wallet, so you better get that Bitcoin off. But that brings us to the second point. Which wallet do you choose? There are tons of wallets out there, ranging from hardware wallets, paper wallets, software wallets, and even browser wallets. For safety purposes, hardware wallets are pretty great, but for utility purposes, it can be kind of hard to be transferring Bitcoin back and forth all the time on those hardware wallets. A software wallet might be better. Make sure you get one that has a lot of features. Now that you've set up a wallet, it's time to put that Bitcoin to use. You can use Bitcoin to buy all kinds of things. Want to go to a hockey team? Buy it in Bitcoin. Want to go flying? Buy it in Bitcoin. You can do it online and in person. A lot of brick and mortar stores are accepting Bitcoin now, and more every day. You can just go in, scan your phone. And online, you can buy things super quick if a store has e-commerce Bitcoin payment solutions, like this Blockonomics setup. For example, I want to buy this Batman t-shirt off this cool store, can proceed to checkout, fill in all my information, oh boom, I can pay in Bitcoin, let's do it. And then wow, right here I can send this amount of Bitcoin to this address very easily, and I can send it directly from my Electrum wallet. All I have to do is copy this, head over to Electrum, click on that send button, same place I did before to receive, and I can copy this address, paste it right in there, copy the amount of Bitcoin I'm supposed to send, paste it right in there, and then click on pay, and boom, I purchased that t-shirt. Wow, it's super easy to do it, and you can do it online, in stores, all kinds of places. Stores are growing every day. There's also lots of lists available that list all kinds of stores, online and in person, that accept Bitcoin. You can find these on merchant directories like Spendabit right here, or on acceptedhere.io. A lot of these will have a lot of great sorting features, so for example, I can say, oh yeah, I want to go to tourism and traveling, and try to find a website that would allow me to pay for my hotel stay in Bitcoin. So I could scroll down and say, oh hey, Expedia accepts Bitcoin payments, and then it will take me to the website that I can use to spend that Bitcoin on. Then I can stay in a hotel using Bitcoin. Donations are another big and very useful thing that you can do with Bitcoin. There are all kinds of organizations that accept Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to help with their charitable needs. And there's a lot of websites that list some of these places. So for example, here on the Giving Block, you can find all kinds of organizations that accept Bitcoin for their charitable donations. So for example, I could put in Save a Child, and then I can donate directly to Save the Children using Bitcoin, filling out the information right here on the right. It's very useful, very important thing that you can use Bitcoin for. In addition to products, you can also pay for a lot of services in Bitcoin. There are all kinds of websites that list people hoping to be hired, or to post opportunities to hire for Bitcoin. For example, the Jobs for Bitcoin subreddit right here has a lot of opportunities like this. Is your business looking to hire somebody for filmmaking help? Are you wanting to write a copy for a PTA meeting? People are always looking for work to get paid in Bitcoin, and it can be a good way to hire people to do those small odd jobs that you're looking for somebody to do, whether it's for your own personal use or for company use. Several businesses even pay for their employees in Bitcoin. For example, me, I'm paid in Bitcoin. And that can be another way to use your Bitcoin to the highest potential. It offers a lot of great opportunities to to get around having to pay a lot of fees to banks and deal with exchange rates, especially if you have a lot of foreign employees. It's another great way to use Bitcoin. Another thing that's similar to the last point that I mentioned is bounty campaigns. This allows you to outsource marketing into a crowdsourcing style system. Essentially, you reward people who market your product and service with cryptocurrency. Although this is typically used by campaigns who are creating their own ICO, creating their own cryptocurrency, you can also use Bitcoin in this effort. BitcoinTalk.org has a lot of lists of bounty campaigns, and you can post your own there to try to get people to join in on your bounty campaign. But you can also hire a company to do it as well. For example, BountyOx or Bounty Hive. These companies accept Bitcoin payments to help you run your bounty campaign, and that allows you to get the most out of your marketing. Crowdsourcing works, so why not turn crowdsourcing and Bitcoin into a successful marketing system? You can also do things like get paid in interest on your Bitcoin. So even if you don't feel as comfortable about spending your Bitcoin on things, you can earn some extra interest in addition to the price increase that's going to be happening all the time. You can do this on websites such as BlockFi that set it up so that you can earn interest on your Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. That will allow you to gain money on your Bitcoin, and it collects interest. Cha-ching! There are tons of ways to use your Bitcoin, but these are some of the best ways. The important thing to remember is that Bitcoin is a currency. It can do all the same things fiat currencies can do, just like USD, but so much better. It's quicker, has less fees, avoids banks. It allows you to take complete control of your financial destiny. Thanks for watching the video. I hope this has been helpful in getting you to understand how to use your Bitcoin, how to get some utility out of it, how to make sure to use it for your own good. I hope you'll tune in on another video. Thanks for watching.